Hello! Welcome sa Civil Engineering Sample Problem about surveying. So tara at isolve na natin ang ating sample problem for today. The proportions by weight and specific gravities of each of the constituents of a particular sheet asphalt paving mixture are as follows. So meron tayong materials dito: asphalt, cement, limestone dust, at saka sand. Then meron silang nagigisang specific gravity, and then meron din percentage by weight. Then a cylindrical specimen of the mixture was molded in the laboratory and weighted in air and in water with the following results. So meron tayong weight of dry specimen in air na 111.95 grams. So meron tayong weight of saturated surface dry specimen in air na 112.09 grams. And then meron naman tayong weight of saturated specimen in water na 61.20 grams. Then ang ating question is compute the bulk specific gravity of the compacted specimen. Okay. So dito sa problem na to is ibang way naman ng pag-solve ng ating bulk specific gravity using yung ating simple formula lang. Okay? So yung ating formula na yung ating bulk specific gravity equals siya sa ating A over B minus C. Pero ano ba yung ating A? Ano ba yung B natin? And ano ba yung C natin? So madali lang naman siyang tandaan. So for our A, so yung ating A, yan ay tinatawag na weight of dry specimen in air. Ayan, okay? So weight of dry specimen in air. So lagyan na rin natin siya ng value since given naman eh. So meron tayo dyan na 111.95 grams. And then yung B naman natin is yan naman yung ating weight of saturated surface dry specimen in air. Okay? So weight of saturated surface dry specimen in air. And then, lagyan na rin natin siya ng value. So, meron siyang 112.09 grams. 112.09 grams. And lastly, yung ating C. So, yan naman, yung ating weight of saturated specimen in water. So, I weight of saturated specimen in water. So, ito, magagamit natin itong simple formula nito pagka ganitong type ng mga given yung mga binigay. Okay? Pagka meron tayong winate yung ating specimen in air at saka in water. Okay? So, lagyan na rin natin to ng value. So, ito ay 61.20 grams. And ayan, after that, na maisulat natin yan, edi direct substitution na tayo nito. Okay? So, meron tayong bulk specific gravity equals, so yung A natin is 111.95 grams over yung ating 112.09 grams minus yung ating 61.20 grams. So, tingnan natin kung anong magiging unit. So, makakancel yung gravity, yung ating grams, which is unitless naman talaga yung ating specific gravity. So, ang ating bulk specific gravity ay meron tayong 111.95 over 112.09 minus 61.2. Ayan. So, meron tayong 2.2 na specific gravity. So, meron tayong 2.20. So, ang ating bulk specific gravity ay 2.20. And this will be our final answer. Ayan. So, ganun lang siya kabilis isolve itong ating sample problem na to. Okay? So, I repeat, our bulk specific gravity is 2.20. And I think that would be all. And thank you for watching.